You have probably noticed in dropshipping some products fly off the shelves while others just sit there collecting dust. The challenge is knowing which products are worth your time and effort, especially in 2025 where the trends change faster than ever. You might automatically think it's all about running ads or relying on luck, but there's a smarter way, research strategy and using tools like Doba to make your life easier. So in this video, we will dive deep into how to find profitable products using Doba, what to look for, how to test products before fully committing and some mistakes to avoid. And we will also lightly touch on Doba AI tool like Auto Listener and AI Optimizer. They can save time, but the real focus is on strategy and smart product selection. Now, before we even open Doba, let's talk about what's make a product profitable. Understanding this is key because you can have a beautiful store, but if your product does not sell, it does not matter. So here what to look for. The number first and really most important, the demand. A product needs buyers. Look for consistent demand rather than just a one-week trend. Tools like Google Trends or Amazon bestsellers can give a rough idea of popularity. But Doba also stores product with steady sales history. Consistent interest using means fewer surprises. The next one is margins. After paying the supplier, shipping and fees, how much do you actually make per sale? A product can sell fast, but if your profit is tiny, it might not be worth it. So always calculate the real profit margin, not just a listed product minus supplier cost. The next is shipping consideration. Products that are heavy, bulky or fragile often cause problems because customers expect fast delivery, so lightweight, easy to ship items usually work better. Okay, the next and really one of the most important, that is competition. If every store is selling the same product, it's harder to stand out. Niche products often have less competition and higher potential profit. The next is returns and quality. Low quality product might be cheap, but returns can always eat into profit. So always check supplier rating, product reviews and shipping reliability. Think of it like a puzzle. You want a product that people want, that you can make money on, that's easy to ship and that won't get lost in a sea of other sellers. Okay, now that we know what makes a product profitable, let's see how Doba helps. The beauty of Doba is that it centralizes thousands of products from various suppliers in one place. You don't have to spend hours hunting suppliers online, sending emails or waiting for responses. So here's how Doba simplifies product research. So instead of just rating, Doba premium suppliers section gives you detailed information like available item count, shipping origin, credit strategy, estimated processing time, average delivery time, fulfillment rate, refund rate and even how long the supplier store have been active. And really this level of transparency helps you choose reliable partner and avoid potential issues. Also, Doba updates inventory in real time. This means you won't oversell a product that's out of stock, which saves you from refunds and angry customers. The next is price tracking and margins. Doba shows cost per product, which makes calculating potential profit straightforward. You can also compare supplier to find the best combination of cost and reliability. And this is one of my favorite. Doba offers tools like the AI Listener and the AI Optimizer. The Auto Listener helps you quickly add products to your store without manually typing titles, description or images. On the other hand, the AI Optimizer can suggest better titles, description and sometimes even pricing adjustments. These tools save time, but they don't replace the strategy of picking the right products. Basically, Doba removes a lot of logistical headaches so you can focus on the strategic side of your store, product selection, marketing and growing your audience. Now, finding a product is not just about picking something that's look popular. Here's some more detailed approach. While Doba does not show full sales history, it does update a list of trending best-selling products daily. This gives you a reliable snapshot of what's currently moving in the market and helps you spot potential winners early. Items that people buy repeatedly like accessories, home gadgets or consumables are usually safer bets for consistent sales. The next is analyze competition. Search for the product online. Are there thousands of stores selling it? It is harder to compete on price or branding. If it's oversaturated, consider a niche alternative. Next is consider pricing strategy. Make sure your prices covers costs, shipping and any platform fees by leaving a reasonable margin. Also read reviews on both the supplier and the product itself. This can give you clues about quality, shipping times and potential issues. And even if a product looks great on paper, testing is crucial. That's where the next steps comes in, because testing a product is like dipping your toes into the water before jumping in. So here how to do it smartly. So what you can do is you can buy 1 or 2 units for yourself, check packaging quality and shipping time. If the products arrive late or look cheap, it might not be worth selling. And don't just list dozens of products right away. Test a few to see what resonates with your audience and monitor sales, customer feedback and even returns. This gives you insight into whether a product is truly profitable or just looks good online. And if a product is not performing, don't force it. Replace it with something new or tweak your listing, images or pricing. And testing saves time and money in the long term. A small loss on a test product is much better than losing thousands on bulk orders that don't sell. And there are common mistakes as many of dropshippers makes when picking products. And the first is chasing every trend. Just because something is trending for a week does not mean it's sustainable. Stick to products with steady demand. Next is ignoring market margins. Low profit products might sell fast, but they often are not worth the effort after considering shipping and fees. The third is skipping supplier checks. A supplier might look good online, but slow shipping or poor quality products can damage your store reputation. The next is listing everything. Don't just throw products into your store, focus on quality over quantity and make each listing appealing with clear images and description. And avoiding these mistakes can save you from wasted effort and money. So now that you know what to look for, here's how to use Doba effectively. Use categories, price ranges, and Doba highlighted top quality supplier to narrow down your options. This helps you avoid wasting time scrolling aimlessly and quickly find reliable products. Also test new products regularly and remove underperforming ones. Doba makes this simple with real-time inventory updates and the tool called AI Listener tool. And don't rely on just one supplier for a product. If one runs out, having alternatives ensure you don't miss out on sales. Even though Doba helps with order listener and AI optimizer, always reviews titles, description, and images to make sure they are clear, attractive, and tailored to your audience. The steps make your store more resilient, reduce headaches, and help maintain consistent profit over time. And also must remember, not all products are equal. Here are some categories that's often performing well in dropshipping. The first category is home and kitchen gadgets, small, lightweight, and practical items that solve every problem. The second is health and wellness, things like fitness accessories, supplements, or skincare items with steady demand. The third one is tech accessories, phone cases, chargers, headphones, or smart home gadgets that people frequently buy. Next is hobbies and crafts, products for niche hobbies often have less competition and passionate buyers. Also, lightweight print accessories and toys sell well because owners want convenience and quality. These are just examples, but the key is always checking margins, shipping, competition, and demand before listing anything. Okay, to sum up, finding profitable products is all about balancing demand, margin, shipping, competition, and quality. Doba makes this easier by centralizing supplier, tracking inventory, and even helping optimize your listing with AI tools. The most important part is strategy, research products, test small, track performance, and adjust as needed. Tools like Doba can help with the heavy lifting, but success still depends on smart choices. So link in the description. Don't forget to try it out, Doba. And if you have any question related to Doba and regarding this video, don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about Doba and AI tools like this, then definitely watch this video now. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too.